So we have Canva as our whiteboard, but how do we make individual boards for each of our students to write on, or each of the teams, so team can all go on the same whiteboard? Today I'm going to show you how to do it just like you did with a Jamboard. I know a lot of people are using Canva now as your whiteboard instead of Jamboard now that it's gone. So let's dive in. Welcome back. I am MrsPTarleton, here to help you work smarter and not harder. So head on over to Canva and you're going to create your design, whatever presentation you would like. I like this one here. We're going to brainstorm some ideas. And then all I have to do is highlight the slide that I like, and I'm going to click Control D. And I'm going to do that as many groups as I have that I want to be on the same whiteboard. Go back to my first whiteboard, and I'm going to put the team number for each of these slides. So this one's going to be for team 1. This will be team 2. And continue this process for all of your teams. Then, once you have a board for each team, you of course are going to assign team 1. These are the students that are going to team 1. Team 2, you're going to go over here. And you're going to go to Share. You want to change right here. You want your students to be able to access it. And copy the link. Then you would share that link through whatever classroom management system you use. Now hold up, we forgot one thing. Because this is a slide presentation, you want to make sure you go to each slide, click on the preview at the bottom, click those 3 dots, and you want to expand it to a whiteboard. This way, everyone can access it. Now, I always let my students know, don't be writing on anybody else's whiteboard. So then we go, share, should be the same link, anyone with a link, copy it, and share it through your classroom management system. Now, once you do that, your students will use the link to access this whiteboard, and then when they go in, they're going to see these options, just like you do down on the left side. So I'm going to use it with my cell phone. When I click on the whiteboard, I get all the features that are listed here on the left side. So if I want to create a text box, I click on T for text, add a text box, and I can type in whatever it is I'm going to type. Notice my name pops up right there, and that's what I just wrote on my cell phone. So there it is. And your student can drag their comment wherever they want on the board. They can even draw off the slide, and it can be out in this never-ending whiteboard area. So you absolutely can do everything that you could do in Jamboard with your Canva whiteboard features. You can even add the elements. If you want to have the students, if it's easier for you, each student can grab a Post-it note and type their name on the Post-it note, and then you can see, okay, who is on Team 3 slide? They can do that, and they can add their names. Who are they? They would just list their names here. Once you are finished and all your students have brainstormed all their ideas, time's up, you want everyone to stop. In order to get the students to stop, you go to this 3 dots, and then you go right here and lock the page. Do that for each and every one of your slides. Otherwise, students can continue to go in and edit and change things. Remember, step out, be uniquely wonderful you. And if you have not seen these 7 most engaging Canva shortcuts, you gotta check it out. This is all new stuff. I'll see you in the next one.